was out the slip block. It's a mental thing for me. I can't really explain it. I know we're friends, but it feel like we dating sometimes. I feel the tension in all the conversations we have. I know the beat ain't really hot till I'm pacing the ground, and I'm pacing right now. Yeah, this shit knocking, and she trying to get knocking. Trying to show the youngin' with the tip toppers, but see me, I'm just trying to see what the drip drop is. Hit it once, she said that we been talking. I don't mind, I'm enjoying the company, and it's validating for me. Feel the void I've been struggling with. I rock a soldier out of Troy when I'm busting this shit. It's an infection I avoid, I've been wanting to kid, but I've been flip flopping. Indecisive, how I'm trying to get popping. Plain cheeseburger, I don't get topping. Chauncey trying to show me what the grip walk is.
Oh my God. Jesus. Oh, that was... Oh my God. What else was I gonna do? This shit's just flying away. Oh my God.